Hi everyone, and welcome to propertygenie.co.nz. Welcome to Talk to the Expert interviews with David Whitburn. David is a best-selling author and the current Auckland Property Investors Association president. Auckland market update, we would like to get some coverage to see where is the ripple effect now, what is it doing and which suburbs is it hitting now, so we know which areas we should target so we can buy well and ride the wave up.
The Auckland housing market's going gangbusters. We have a multitude of measures there, ranging from quotable value stats, Real Estate Institute stats, Real Estate Institute stratified median, Barfoot and Thompson stats, and stats from different agencies. No matter how we look at them or which set of stats that we look at, the Auckland property market is in a boom. House prices are going in excess of 10% from the 12 months ago. In my opinion, I quite like using the quotable value stats. They're a little bit old, but that they do show in excess of 13% year-on-year capital growth. A fantastic growth rate. What happened was that the market had its epicentre in sort of Greyland, Ponsonby in 2011, and then this started to ripple out. So from Hadar's introduction, where has this ripple effect ended up? Suburbs like New Lynn to the west have really benefited hugely from the ripple effect, and that ripple's now about to go out and hit Glen Eden and Kelston. Shortly after that, it'll start to hit the likes of Glendine, Te Atatu South and Massey and carry them further upwards. Over on the North Shore, it's just starting to hit Glenfield now, and parts of Glenfield North, I guess Bayview, are going to benefit quite seriously from that, and further north in Albany as well will benefit from that too. Other areas include Waiheke Island. Waiheke Island's been a bit of a sleeping giant there, absolutely stunning area, and some built-up area too, and some affordable housing. So I think some really exciting things are in store for Waiheke Island, based upon looking at the previous property booms in the 1990s and indeed the 2000s. So that's something to take a look at. Now in South Auckland we've seen some rampant growth in most of the suburbs over there as well. It took a little while to catch up, and now that boom's actually, it's already past Manurewa and it's hitting Takanini and Papakura now. So those are areas that I'd strongly consider you start to take a look at. And just now, we're not quite there yet, but it's a little bit of a short-term play. Have a think about Pukekohe as well. That I think is going to benefit from the ripple effect more starting in another 6 months or so time. So you can get in with a bit less pressure now. It's not every single property is going to auction or anything like that either. You can actually get some due diligence to do some research and do your numbers properly.
Thank you, David. Thank you very much. Take action and go and start looking on properties. Try to ride the wave so you can build your portfolio and increase your equity as you go. Thanks, David.